evening all, welcome to yet another episode of Saja's Designer Boutique. Those who are watching this video for the first time, please do subscribe our channel, do press the bell icon, and our contact number is 052-7367418. If you like any of the items you would like to purchase, you can send us a screenshot and in the same WhatsApp number which I have mentioned. So let me introduce you today with a few designer sarees. The first one which I am wearing is a bottle green saree with an embroidery work, and I have paired it with a orange contrast blouse, and we have a running blouse along with this. So I'll be showing you the color changes of the same saree which I am wearing. So let's start with the first saree. This is a chiku shade with a red and orange combination. So this can be paired with the same blouse or even with a contrast blouse. As I told you, like the embroidery work is this one. This is the embroidery work which is there all over the saree. There is a 50% offer going on for all the sarees. So do WhatsApp us to know more details about it. So this is the first shade, and let's move on to the second shade, which is an orange shade. It's really a beautiful saree and a very lightweight semi-silk saree. So this is an orange shade, which again comes with a blouse piece, this orange blouse piece, or you can pair it with a red or a black blouse which you have. I'll be putting the link of our blouses which is having in discount in the I button, so you can just press that. And the next one is a turquoise shade of the same saree. So this is like this. You can either pair it with the same running blouse or you can pair it with an orange blouse. In total we have 4 sarees. One is the chiku shade, the orange one, and this turquoise, and the dark bottle green, the one which I am wearing. Let's move on to the other saree. In another design I'll be showing you. These are all very lightweight saree which can be worn for a party. This is a very beautiful parrot green saree with a golden border on it. It is having round buttas all over the saree. See, like this. It's pure chiffon saree which can be paired with a golden blouse. It comes along with a golden blouse which is having a border of golden and green shade. Let's move on to our next saree, which is a light sky blue color of the same saree. This is the next saree, which can be again paired with a golden blouse. It comes along with a running blouse, that is a golden blouse with an embroidery work on it. These are very lightweight sarees and it is having 50% offer right now. Then moving on to our next saree is a green saree. It's a parrot green saree which can be worn for a party, and it's very lightweight and which is having a golden border, and it comes with a beautiful blouse with a neckline on it. This is the neckline, and a beautiful sleeve with a small golden embroidery on it. So this is the neckline of the blouse, and it's a very pure chiffon saree. So like this. Moving on to the other saree, next saree. It's the same color change, orange saree. Orange saree which can be paired with an orange blouse, or even you can pair it with a golden blouse. There is a neckline coming like this, or even you can pair it with a navy blue brocade blouse. Hope you all like this video. If you have any suggestions or opinions, do comment to us so that we can make it more better videos. So do comment us your suggestions and opinions. We are located in Mohasana 4. Do subscribe our channel. Do share it with your friends and family. Thank you.